around 5 to 6 minutes. So shall we begin?
Yes, please.
So firstly, I would like to ask that every business organization has a vision in their mind. So what are the future goals of your organization?
I don't know how much you know about Daikin. Do you know that I work for Daikin? Are you aware of that?
No.
Okay. See, this company started in India as a 100% subsidiary of Daikin Japan. Okay, and Daikin Japan had laid their vision in 2006 in Japan that they wanted to be number one in the world. And when they were chalking out their plan, they saw India potential and they started working on India also seriously. And the conclusion was that they can't become number one without not becoming number one in India. So in 2010 they laid the foundation for becoming number one in India by 2015, and they are operating into room air conditioner segment. They are also operating into large air conditioning. This is the background of the company. And now, in 2015, they have become number one company in India, right? In all the segments which they operate in. The turnover in India has increased from less than 300 crore to over 3,000 crore, 10 times growth. And after having become number one, now they want to use India as a export hub. And the vision is that in all nearby markets, the emerging market, the India model should be used and they should become number one in all emerging markets. So that is the company's goal.
And job satisfaction is most discussed among the employees who join the organization or who quit the organization. So what, according to you, are the critical components of a job satisfaction?
I think it is a combination. Of course, you have to have a people-centered management approach, right? And you need to have the fundamentals right. The processes of the company should be transparent. The brand heritage, also the product technology. So product, people, system, service, brand.
So one tip you would like to give to the students who join the corporate world?
Today's corporations, what they look at from the students is that they need to stretch beyond limits. It's not a clock watcher job anyway. So I think the students must stretch beyond limits. Students have to work hard. There is no replica of working hard. And I think one must stretch beyond limits to reach it at the goals. You must have a clear vision, mission, action plan. Control your destiny or someone else will. Should be the mantra.
Okay. So how can a student become a good networker?
Yeah, I think the people do business with people. And networking is the most important factor. And I think the best time is when you are in the college. That is the time you should make more contacts amongst you, because you are going to be tomorrow's leaders. And when you are in the college, like when my son was in the management college, I used to tell him that your colleagues, your friends are going to be the future leaders. So stay connected with them. And I think that mantra applies to everyone at every place.
Definitely, sir. So how would you like to stay connected with India?
I have few mantras of my own success, and I think the connectivity is one which because connectivity really has shortened the distances now. And when I graduated, this kind of connectivity was not there. Today you have connectivity through emails, through WhatsApps, and my own company fundamentals are also accessibility to stakeholders, accessibility, and students are also one of the stakeholders. Because every year we have been adding in the last few years, from 300 employees to over 1800 employees. So if you have to get good employees, you have to stay connected with good institutes. And good institutes also should know. So we connect ourselves through our Daikin site, through our website, through our digital media, through various modes of below the line activities. Also, the Daikin, which was not a known brand. So I think catch them young at the colleges has been our mantra. That is how we get connected with the students.
Okay. So thank you so much for your valuable time. It was a pleasure talking to you. So thank you so much.
Thank you.